So we're going to be doing an exercise on researching stuff for affiliate marketing and backwards engineering affiliate campaigns. If you guys have heard me before, there's two main types of marketing, okay? One is called organic and one is called advertising. So there's organic and paid advertising. Organic is Facebook, Google, YouTube, but it's the free stuff. So when you search Google, it's those blog posts that show up, or articles that show up in the top, not the ads, but the stuff that's organic. YouTube, there's a lot of organic traffic. These are not the ads. Facebook, it's posts showing up. So, and then the ads, obviously, so there are ads on Facebook, Google, and YouTube as well. We want to look up affiliate campaigns for each one of these sections. So we're going to have organic, and we have ads. Now, I have more extensive online courses on both getting free traffic, free organic traffic, as well as doing advertising. Now, advertising, to be brutally honest with you, is where I've made the bulk of my fast money. This is how I went to making basically millions in pretty short order, because ads you just turn on, if they work, they go. It's also much more expensive. So you can make more, but you have to spend more. And you have to be willing just watching money go down the drain and saying, oh my God, what's going on with this money? It's just dying and it's going to Google or Facebook. So let's talk about organic. Now, if you want to see examples of affiliate links or affiliate campaigns on YouTube, you can check out my YouTube channel, right? Check out my YouTube channel, look at the links in the description, look at the cards, look at the end screens. I'm doing both marketing for my own products as well as affiliate marketing for other people's products. So, find an affiliate campaign on YouTube. Find an affiliate campaign on Google. A real easy search to do is just best baby diaper. Any product you're thinking of. Best baby diapers, cheapest baby diapers, chairs, etc. And you'll see these articles. Best mattress to buy. You'll see articles that have what is the best credit card of 2019 or whatever it is. And you'll see sites that have top 10 credit cards of 2019. These are all affiliate sites. And then Facebook. Facebook has throttled a lot of their organic reach. They basically force you to buy ads. So it's kind of hard, but you can still find a lot of groups. They're fan pages or groups or different public image pages that have a lot of followers, and you'll see affiliate ads go up. And also, obviously, do all of these for the ads. Look on Google, look at the ads, if it'll say top 10 credit cards. If you search best credit cards or any of these searches, you find affiliate links all over the place. On YouTube, search for anything. You'll see YouTubers have tons of affiliate links. Generally speaking, you need to find YouTubers who are making a living out of doing it, and the smart YouTubers who actually are making a living out of doing it have at least 10,000 subscribers. Okay, you need at least 10,000 subscribers to make any substantial income. And Facebook, look at the ads, what people are doing as affiliate marketers, not just as product owners, but as affiliate marketers. And that'll help get you an idea of what's going on. I would also recommend, there's some ad spy tools. There's other tools that can help you do this. I'll go over those in a different video, but essentially go out there, find affiliate ads, and start your swipe file. Put together a big list, a spreadsheet or a document that has all of the ads you see, and put together a bunch of links so that you can start putting together what your swipe file is. If you already know what product it is you want to be promoting, or what you want to be an affiliate for, what sort of category you want to be affiliate for, whether it's relationship material, whether it's make money online type of stuff like stocks, real estate, internet, MLM, stuff like that. You could find affiliate stuff for that. Or what's the third category? Health. So depending on what category is, I'd try to find specific affiliate stuff for those categories. But if not, just find organic campaigns and ad campaigns for any affiliate marketing stuff. Hope that helps. Do the exercise, do the work.